Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this colorful look. Please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell button so you get notifications when I have new videos up like this. Okay, good stuff. Alright, so I see you at the end of the video. Mwah! So the first thing I want to do is to prep my lid for eyeshadow, and I'll be using this concealer from GALA Cosmetics. I'll be using a small stiffening brush to blend the concealer all over my lid. The first color I'll be using is that white eyeshadow color from my Morphe palette. I like to use white eyeshadow as a base first before I apply the yellow, because I feel like it helps it pop more, because some of the yellows I have in my palettes are not as pigmented as I wanted. So instead of going in with neon pigment, I just use a white eyeshadow before I go in with the yellow eyeshadow. Now you can totally see the difference. You can see exactly what I'm talking about. Now another trick to this is not to press too much, so it doesn't break. And yeah, just going in with the blue. So at this point, I would normally set my concealer under my brow bone with powder. So when I'm blending those colors on my crease, I don't run into any problems and everything, works out perfectly. So guys, at this point you want to go in with a very light hand and make sure you're blending in a circular motion. Now that blending brush I'm using I think is the only small blending brush I have, so I tend to use it to blend both colors together. And before I go in to blend these other ones, I clean the brush interval, you guys, because I don't want to get the colors messed up into each other. So yeah, I'm taking my time to really blend out those edges. Moving to the other eye, I would be using a different shade, and that's the orange, and I'm going to follow that orange up with a red shade, and I'm using another blending brush. I'm just going straight ahead to blend the edges, unlike the other one. I'm taking my time. I'm using a very light hand to blend the orange into the yellow and the yellow into the orange. And I'm using that red shade from the Margaret Ipo palette from House of CIARA. Now at this point I felt like that orange in the middle was a bit too dull and it wasn't popping as I wanted, so I had to go in with some loose pigment from Super Cosmetics. I'll show you just how I did that. I'm just taking my time to blend the edges of that red shade into the orange, so there is no harsh lines at all. So that's the first color I'll be using, the orange. Now this orange is very bright, so I'm just tapping the color onto my lid very gently, and I'm taking it up all the way to my crease, just all the areas where I applied the first orange color, going back and forth into the yellow and the red. Now I'm also using the red pigment also, just to top it up. I'm being very careful, and I'm just blending with a light hand. I'm going in with a big blending brush to blend the edges together so everything is looking smooth and perfect. Doing the same thing for the other eye. Going in to fix my lashes, guys. I really wanted to show you guys how I did this in case there are anybody struggling with lashes. I feel like if you just do what I do, you definitely get it right. So I basically just start off by dropping the lashes first of all in the middle and make sure it's secured, and then I go to fix the outer corner and the inner corner, and that's it. Very easy, you guys. And I'm mimicking the same color on my lid for my bottom eyelid, the purple, the blue, and the yellow. And I also went ahead to add some loose pigment to it just to make it pop even more. I'll be repeating the same process on the other eye with the yellow, the orange, and the red. So I have some setting powder under my eye to catch any fallout. So after this, I'll be using the Younger Beauty Attitude. It's a white eyeliner. I'll be using it for my waterline. Yeah. To separate my bottom lashes, I'll be using this lengthening mascara from GALA Cosmetics. It gets the job done, you guys. And to highlight my face, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I've just been mixing, I think, about 3 or 4 shades together. And right after this, I will be using the Younger Beauty Candid Glow in Mockish for that extra glow. You know I always use that highlighter, like it's the Rom.com, you guys. That's it right there. So beautiful. You can tell how this highlighter will change this look. Look at that glow, you guys. It's amazing. And to think that this is a Nigerian brand, it blows my mind. And it retails for, I think, about 4,500 naira. So I'll leave the link down below in the description box, so you can definitely visit their website to shop the products. You already know I'm using this lip liner from GALA Cosmetics. This is called Cappuccino. And I'm following that up with the XOXO Pout lipstick and one of the Younger Beauty, I think is a metallic lipstick, and I'll be following that up with a lip gloss. Yes, honey. Now, you all know that no look is complete without a setting spray. Literally speaking, you guys, you have to set your face with a setting spray. Now, this one I'll be using is from GALA Cosmetics. I absolutely loved it. I've been using it for the longest time ever and gets the job done. And that completes the look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video so far. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I know you've subscribed. Thank you for giving this video a huge thumbs up. And if you have any questions for me, please leave them down below in the comments and I'll definitely get right to it. And if you love to see more videos like this, don't also forget to tell me in the comments and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much. I love y'all and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.